I really wanted to make the front panel have a tinge of green, but I do not have this card in a different colour. So I thought, why not just use inks and blending to do it? So I put some glycerin on my ink blender because I'm just using these normal inks, and I'm using pistachio, which is a very subtle green. And see what that does. I mean, these are scraps of card. Ah, yeah, that's better. So, you know, if it doesn't work, it's not that drastic. So I've got bamboo leaves here. It's still quite a vibrant green, but it's much darker. Just going to, that's it. Just accentuate those edges. So that's going to be on my front panel. I have my card insert here and I want to stamp on it, but what I want to do is stamp on just this piece here. I want to leave everything else blank. So the best way of doing that is to simply use some paper and to mask it, because I want to make sure that what I'm stamping goes on one side at a time. I'm going to add a little colour to the edges. So I've got a very, very fine tip pen here. That's not looking bad. Do the same to the other side. Oh, I like that. That's working out really well. Ah, nice that something's going well today. I found a nice shade of green ribbon in my stash, so I've put some double-sided tape on the back of it, put it up through here, and all I'm going to do is take the rest of it, trim it off, and just put that there so that it looks like a bookmark. So now I need to pay some attention to the front of the card. I'm going to put this one so that it is slightly askew, and then I'm going to put that one in the centre. It just provides a little bit of interest. So I've now completed the main layers for the front, and I've completed the main piece of the inside. What I need to do is to stick one to the other. Then I can just do the remaining decorative pieces. Now for this, what you need to do is to put tape from there, down there, avoiding these pieces here. You do not want to put any tape on these pieces. So you can turn it over and make sure you've got nothing on your work surface. That would be fairly drastic. And put the tape just around in a U shape. And there we have the book already done. And all we need to do is the last of the embellishments to complete the design. This is done with quite a heavy card because it needs that kind of gravitas, I think.